Hello friends, how are all of you? I think that all of you are well. Today I am here now to help you in email writing because many students are confused enough to write email. In writing email there are different opinions, but in a standard form we like to follow this type of email writing. Let's get started our activity. At first, you have to write the address to the person to whom you are writing email, such as Kiran Bora 1979 at the rate of gmail.com. The person you are sending the email to that person. Okay. From, such as you are writing the email to Kiran Bora 1917 or Kiran Bora Rafi 2002 at the rate of gmail.com. In this way you have to draw the box. It looks very nice. It looks like an email. Okay, subject: congratulations or congratulations on brilliant success. No problem, you can write well. Then in email, unlike informal letter, in email we have to maintain some format, such as we cannot write in details in email. Just main facts are written there. Main issue is written there. Such as the subject is congratulations or congratulation. Dear Rafi, how are you? Hope actually here hope you are hale and hearty. That means you are well. Hope you are hale and hearty. You are well. Congratulations on brilliant success. That means your friend has got a scholarship in talent pool or in other section. Now you are congratulations on brilliant success. Okay, I am very much happy for your scholarship. I knew you would get a scholarship in talent pool. Now it has come true. Waiting to see more success. That's all. Now yours friend. Unlike traditional letter or informal letter, in email we have to focus on the main fact only. Such as in traditional letter we write that take my cordial hope that you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I received your letter a few days ago. I could not reply in different ways. But email only main fact should be written there or should be shown. So I think that you have understand well. If I would like to recap again. At first you have to write it to whom or the person to whom you are writing from your mail address. Subject, here I haven't written actually. In many cases sent can be written. If you don't write, no problem for that. Again, in many cases we see that CC, BCC, we should not write those. In standard form, if we write in this way, that's all. If you said that sir, you haven't mentioned date, a date can be shown actually whenever you are sending the email. The sending time or the same time is shown there, so it is not essential. Just in this way, to, from, subject, dear. I am repeating again. At first you have to write it to the person to whom you are writing the email, your email address, subject, congratulations or invitation on birthday party, in this way. Then write in details, dear Rafi, in this way. Just main fact to be written only. You should not elaborate it. I think that you have understood well. It will help you. You should not think extra things actually. What is essential most, that should be thought always. I have told you that in different ways emails are written. In different ways. Many ways are there. I agree. But you should follow this type of email writing. I think it will help you to get credit in your exam. There should not have any type of confusion in email writing if you follow this type of email writing. That's all now, my friends. Waiting for your comment if you have, and subscribe my channel. This is Kiran Bora, Senior Teacher English, BAF, Shaheen College, Kurmitola, Dhaka Cantonment, Dhaka. Bye bye.